IT खातीर इव्हेंट डेस्टिनेशन कुशळटाय तयार करपा खातीर तशेंच तरणाट्यां खातीर आयती मळार वेगवेगळ्यो संदी तयार करपा खातीर आमचो मुखेल हेतू आसा अशें IT मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटेन म्हटलें। तशेंच ह्या तयार केल्ल्या संदींनी चडांत चड गोंयच्या लोकांक आनी खास करून तरणाट्यांक संद दितले अशें तांणी म्हटलें।
Dr. Pramod Sawant and under the able leadership of the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav ji and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, I think we should be able to achieve what we have left in the past. How Monchana ki we have missed the bus. Every missing status becomes a opportunity how we can take it up. I am pretty sure. I mean, policy right on startup and IT Kilias already. आता it's the interaction with the industry which we need to put things right and connectivity infrastructure तयार करपाचे. On a war footing we'll be taking up and ensuring that what the industry wants we'll be giving them. Goa Angel Network जाऊन नाल्यार venture capitalists जाऊन to support the ecosystem. तांच्याकडे आता सुरुवात केल्ली आसा. IT खातीर इव्हेंट डेस्टिनेशन्स तयार करप, स्किलिंग तयार करप, भुरग्यांक मोर एक्सपोजर दिवप, ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज दिवप. हे म्हाका दिसता will be there a trust factor where we ensure that the local employment is Goans.